fantastic day. Thank you so much for joining today's live. I'm so grateful to be here with you guys. And I'm glad you're here also. So thank you so much for joining. Today's session is going to be amazing. And we're going to take some trades and I'm going to explain those trades. And let's start by getting into the tournament first. So over here, we have the tournament here. There's this one up here called Rumble. There's another one called Winter Cup. But we're interested in this day of the free one. So we'll click on this one and we'll confirm participation. Then we'll continue. So initially when we open, we would get it's like a blank canvas, you understand? So we need to like set it up quickly. Thank you so much for joining, guys. I hope you're feeling great today. Please go ahead and say hi in the comment section so that I can. Hey Prince, it's nice to be here. Thank you so much for joining. Prince Emeka, I hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much, Prince. It's nice to have you here. So the first thing we're going to do now is yes, Prince and guys, thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. Guys, please, I want you to go ahead and like the video immediately you join. Yes, it's nice to have you here. Yes, I'm glad you're good. Thank you so much. I'm fine too. You understand? It's nice to have you here. And also, please go ahead and click the like button. The reason why I'm asking is because when you click the like button like that, the YouTube recommends it to the rest of our friends. Okay, so let's quickly just click the like button so that the rest of our friends can join us. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. So the first thing we're going to do now is to click this menu button and click this next one here. So now the chart type we're going to be using is candlesticks, and we will enable the timer for the candles and we'll disable this auto scroll. Then we'll move to this time frame area and we'll select M1. It's already selected anyways. You say is something a problem? Please rephrase your question. I don't get the question. Okay, is it a profit? It's not. We've not taken any trade yet. Yeah, we're still setting up the we're still setting up the okay. If you stick around, we're gonna look for a very good trade, and we're gonna take one. But this style of trading is called binary options trading. You understand? If you're familiar with forex, it is this type of in forex there's this thing they call futures contracts. Is this kind of trading that you have a level of a certain amount of time the trade expires. So for example, if you go, yeah, it's called binary options trading. You understand? So for example, is this kind of trade whereby you have a trade time. I'm not done setting up actually. I would have, but you know what? If you can just stick around for like maybe 2 minutes. Hey Meroni, it's nice to have you here. Yes, Prince, if you can stick around for like 2 3 minutes, we'll get to actually trading. Thank you so much, Meroni. It's nice to have you here, guys. Send me a hi in the comment section. Let me give you a shout out. You understand? I'm trying to show Prince something quickly. So you know what? Let's finish the setup quickly, okay? Because the setup won't take long. Now you see this time area now is where the time trade time is. So we select M1. Now we're currently using the flag mode. So this is the flag mode. Let's select M1 here. Now you see this is the regular mode and this is the flag mode. So anytime you select flag mode like that, anytime you select flag mode, you have to select M1. Then you have to make sure that this second hand, you can see it's still the setup. So this second hand, you have to make sure that you bring it to zero, because it's very important that it's on zero for this kind of strategy we're trading. You understand? So guys, please go ahead and click the like button. Thank you so much for doing that. Yeah, let's get the like count up so that YouTube can recommend to the rest of our friends. You know, we have friends all over the world. You understand? So let all of them, give them a chance by clicking the like button. So thank you so much for doing that. Okay, fine. I found one. I found one opportunity up here. I'll show you right now. So right now we'll be going with 12.5% of our balance. Normally I prefer using percentage. So once I set the percentage, I'll set it back to the amount basically. So this is the opportunity I was talking about. This is the opportunity. You see this area, we have this area of support where the market has rejected, like you can see, market came down all the way from here and rejected, like got back into this level, then got rejected the first time. They came back again, they got rejected. They came back again the third time, they got rejected. The fourth time got rejected. But you see, the fifth time they came down, they broke the level. This is the breakout area. You can see they broke this level. Now you see in this area right now, there's a point of decision where the sellers made the decision to break this level. So we need to find it first before we take a trade. So we'll go to lower time frame. Yeah, if you're new here, don't want if you're just new to this, you understand, just follow me. I'll tell you what to do because I have something for all the beginners. You understand? So let's just follow the process for now. So right now, the first thing you need to do, we went to 30 seconds time frame. We're currently in M1 from the setup, but we're currently in 30 seconds now. We found the entry. This is the entry area. So what we'll do is we'll extend this area. Look at this. I will extend it all the way so that if price, you see price is coming back up, immediately price comes back to this area, we will take a trade with the sellers, and price will enter this place and pull back and give us a winning trade. It's as simple as that. You understand? So if you want to see it happen, just stick around. You understand? So let me go to S15 and fine tune that entry again. Let me see if we have more entries. Let me mark another entry here in S15. I will mark this entry because this entry is one of those entries too. Price can react from this entry. We'll mark it here. So I will extend it also, but I'll go to M1 before extending this now. Good. So I'll extend this one. I'm extending. So these two now, I've extended it. Let me mark it so that it can stand out. I'll mark it as a lower time frame entry. Then I'll mark this one too as a lower time frame entry. Don't worry if you don't understand all this process. Don't worry. There's a first time for everything. You understand? And I'm here to actually explain everything. And I'll tell you what to do if you are interested in something like this. You understand? So just stick around, okay? I'll tell you what to do. Guys, please go ahead and click the like button. I would really appreciate that. It's a personal request I'm asking. Hey, Mr. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Yes, our friends are beginning to join in now because you guys clicked the like button. Yes, so please, thank you so much, Mr. Eric. That was very thoughtful of you. Oh, you're interested already. Oh, that's good. Don't okay, you know what? I don't know how long you have to spend here, but let me quickly tell you. See, if you're a beginner, if you are here and you're a beginner, let me address all the beginners. See, if you're a beginner here, send me a hi in the comment section. Let me give you a shout out, okay? You understand? The first thing you need to do, if you're a beginner here, click that subscribe button right now. It's very important that you do that. You know why? When next we come live, YouTube will send you a notification that we are live. That's the reason I'm asking you to go ahead, click the subscribe button and then enable the notification bell for all. Like you click that notification bell beside the subscribe button, put it on all notifications. So anytime we come online, you understand. Oh, you have all the time. Fine, that's good. Hey, Whitey, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yes, see, Prince, I'm glad you have the time. So I don't even need to rush. You understand? Let's wait for this. Now look at this. Price is coming into this entry now. Immediately price enters this entry. I'm taking the trade with the sellers. But what I would do is I'm going to wait for it to go over this line in between. You understand? Or you know what? Let me do it like this. Let me divide this into two. If it enters this area immediately, I will take one. If it goes above the round number, this line, I'll take another one. Then if it goes into this upper one too, I'll take another trade. So let's just wait for it. This is what we're waiting for. Immediately it comes there, I'm going to take the trade with the sellers. You understand? So guys, if you're a new beginner here, please go ahead and click the subscribe button first. Now, if you don't have an account yet and you're a new beginner, you're interested in this, the same, you see the same broker I'm using right now. This same broker I'm using. Um, the name is called Pocket Option. I have the broker link in the description below. So I think the most of the time the description is somewhere around this corner. If you are using your phone, It should be around this corner. So click on the that menu button and click the description. So when you get to description, there's a broker link. I call it broker link. It's the same. It's the broker we're using right now. The same broker. So if you click the broker link, it will take you to the platform. You register for your account. You understand? I think you register for your email and you verify it. So once you do that, come back to this channel. I have something for all the beginners. It's called Barter-Pro binary option for. It's called binary option for beginners. Yes, that's what it's called. So binary option for beginners. That's what the playlist is called. In the playlist section, you see it. It's a set of videos. There are about 16 of them. I'm waiting for it to come here. Immediately it comes, I'll take the trade. So if you go to the playlist section, it's called binary option for beginners. Click on it. Click on that playlist and watch all the 16 videos there. I put a lot of videos there for you to watch so that you can get all the foundational knowledge. Now you see we have a over here now we have a gap up. It's in favor of the sellers. That tells you that if price comes here, the sellers are more likely to enter the market. So I'll just wait for them to enter first. Immediately they touch it, I'm entering it. But if they don't touch it, I'm not going to take the trade. So let's just keep watching until you understand. I would wait forever until price touch enters this place. I'm not going to take any trade. I'm not going to jump. You understand? So that gap up is in favor of the sellers. Those who have been following this channel for some days now, they know already that when you have a gap up, it's in favor of the sellers. So I'm taking the trade now. Just wait for it. Yes, we take the trade. I'm expecting a pullback to the downside. If that does not happen, it's not a problem. Okay, it didn't happen. Immediately it goes above this. I'm taking another one here. Now, immediately price comes into this area. You understand? I'm taking another one. That pullback did not happen the other time. Another one will happen. I know that this area is the seller's area. So if they don't happen immediately, it does not mean it will not happen. It will still happen. I just need to wait for it. So let's wait and see. I'm expecting the sellers to come in after any time. So I'll go back to that 12.5%. I'm expecting the sellers to give us a red candle. Okay. Oh, that was close. No problem. This will be my next entry. I'm going to take the trade here. So let's wait for it. Oh, I missed that entry. Though it's not as if I missed it. Immediately entered, I clicked it. But what happens sometimes is that the market jumps. You understand? But that jump is not really a problem. I'm still expecting a pullback to the downside. I'm expecting a pullback. So let's wait for it. I expect the sellers to be able to hold the price down. Okay, fine. We have 10 seconds left, so let's wait for it. Don't jump, please. Oh, it jumped. We're still going to go with the sellers. I'm expecting the sellers to come in, but my entry is late now. I'm still expecting those sellers to come in. I don't know why. I think the what they call it, the buyers are. Hey, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Akiola. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much for coming. Yes, if you are new here, go ahead and send me a hi in the comment section. You understand? You can just send me a hi in the comment section, no problem. I'll give you a shout out. I like to shout out all my friends. I don't know why these sellers are not coming in as they should come in, but I'm expecting them. Hey, Captain, I love that name, Captain. Now wow, Captain. Okay. Yes. Well, Clement, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. You see, finally the sellers finally came in. Hey, Victor, it's nice to have you here. Thanks so much. 6119. Yes, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you coming. Even though I'm old. No, no, no. See, it doesn't matter. The age doesn't matter. But okay. Okay, okay. You mean you're old member? No, no, no. Everybody gets a shout out. You understand? Either old or new, it doesn't matter. You're very funny. Thank you so much for joining. So you see now, finally the sellers came in, and I don't know why they delayed so much before coming in, but I'm glad it came in because I was really expecting them to come in since this place. You understand? The pullback was not strong enough, but no problem. Sometimes it happens like that, and you need to understand that the fact that you didn't get it the first time does not mean your trade is bad. Like, yes, you can have a very good opportunity, and maybe probably the sellers or the buyers are not they didn't respond on time. It doesn't mean your trade is bad. You get the gist. And look at this actually. In their defense though, look at this. This is a strong trend to upside. It's a trend. It's not a momentum, but it's a trend and it's strong. You get the gist. I'm new here and the game more blessing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. Now for all the new guys, if you don't have an account, I have the link in the description below. Click that broker link. It's called broker link. I titled it broker link. We have another opportunity here. Let me mark the area. It's called the supply area. You see, supply area is where you have the sellers. You understand? I'm not going to take any trade until we come back up to this place. So immediately price enters this on over this round number, I'm going to go with the sellers. So you understand? Click the broker link and it will take you to the platform. Just register a new account there. It's a free account. You understand? It's a free account, so you do not need to worry. So the next thing you need to do is to come back here and check the playlist section of this channel. I have the playlist I have for all the new guys is called binary option for beginners. Banner option for beginners. So you click on it, watch all the 16 videos. It will give you all the foundational knowledge you need. You understand? Now you can practice without your demo account. Guys, please listen to this instruction. It's very important. Don't load any money if you are new. See, there's this tendency that you feel like, okay, maybe you might get lucky or luck can help you. Guys, please go ahead and click this like button right now. Your like button. If you want to click the like button and you're on your mobile, on your phone, just double tap your screen. It will automatically like the video. You understand? They made it very easy to like it. Thank you so much for doing that. So come on. I thought it was going to go down. I'll take one more with the buyers, but don't worry. I'm expecting us to have a green candle. I'm expecting a green candle actually. Okay, let me read this. Hey, Ejai, hey, Brave. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. It's not an app actually. It's a platform. It's a trading platform. It's called it's got option. So the link to the platform is in the description below. Like check the this video's description. You understand? It's called broker link. It's the same broker we are using right now. If you click on the broker, it will take you straight to the platform where you can register for your own account too. They'll give you a free demo account. You understand? So all you need to do once you are done registering for your own account, come to the place here, to this video, this channel here. You understand? So once you get to this channel, go to the playlist section. You will see this video called binary option for beginners. That was a winning trade. It's called binary option for beginners. Watch everything inside that this thing. Okay, I'm gonna be active person here. So what are you going on? Sorry, please let me send I wish I could fly. Yo, no, no, you don't need to fly and attend my class. Trust me. You see, I have a okay now. Let me finish all the announcements. Then you get what I'm trying to say. So when you come to when you come to this channel, they'll give you a free demo account. All you need to do practice with your demo account. Now if you need more videos, another playlist you can watch is the live trade session videos. Oh, the connection is poor, sorry about that. Don't worry, just give it some few minutes. It's breaking up. Oh, Yes, this the internet has been somehow since. You know what? Just give it some few minutes. I think it usually clears up after like few minutes, few seconds. I mean, it usually clears up. It clears up by itself. Nice, but I see an big gamble because I've lost. Yes, Adebayo, it's nice to have you here. See, the reason why you feel like it's a gamble is because you don't have the information. Like you don't have enough information to trade the market, and you attempted it. You get the gist. You see that information. Hey, it's nice to have you here. Peraria Funds. Thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. So Adebayo, as I was saying, you don't know anything about it and you jumped into it. That's the reason why you actually lost a lot of money. A lot of people don't know jack about trading, but they attempt it anyways, thinking they'll probably get lucky or something like that. You get the gist. So luck doesn't help you here. Let me be frank with you. If you're approaching trading like it's a casino or it's a gamble, you're most likely going to fail. You understand? And a lot of people have failed right now because of that gambler's mindset that they have. You get the gist. Yes, I'm telling you the raw truth right now. If you don't make your trading journey a gamble. You understand? Get the right information first. You need the information first. Before anything, get the information. Is the information that will give you is the information that will give you. Hey, October, it's nice to have you here. Do you live every day? Yes, for now I do every day, but it's not going to be for. Do you do digit trading? I don't know what to mean by digit trading, bro. Every day people make 20,000 with. Yes, Fadi PM mode. A lot of people. Well, anyways, you're very correct though. A lot of people do make money. You understand? Jack. Those who don't know what they are doing, they lose a lot of money too. You understand? You're talking of someone making 20,000. It's very possible. You understand? I have a mentor. You understand? Every 3 weeks, it makes like $50,000 live. You get the gist. So you're very correct about that. One thing you are not correct. You understand? Somebody cannot. You understand? Somebody cannot become a surgeon without going to school to get the right knowledge that they need. You get the gist. They need it. You understand? So it's as simple as that. You understand? Or you won't tell me that okay, you can become a doctor now without going to school or without having the right knowledge that a doctor has or getting the training. No, it's not done. You understand? You definitely need the training that will give you the right knowledge that would help you to be successful in the market. And you see that training is exactly what I'm giving everybody here right now. You understand? Yes, you need to learn about candlesticks. My strategy here is called candlestick psychology. You understand? And candlestick psychology is very important, especially in binary option. Now, in Forex, maybe you can get away with one or two things. You can use indicators. But I can tell you in binary option, you understand? Hey, Moiwa, it's nice to have you here. Thank you. Oh, you lost a lot. I'm so sorry, Moiwa. You understand? So sorry about that. The thing there is, now, like I was saying, a lot of people have lost money. And the reason why they lost money, I'll still keep saying it, is because they don't have the right information. You understand? They need the right information. You get the gist. You see, guys, everybody, don't pay attention to this guy. He's just here to come and fish. You understand? It's so please don't pay attention to him. You understand? I'm going to ignore you from now. So back to what I was saying. Yes, we have a Telegram channel. You understand? The Telegram channel link is in the description below. Click on it. What I'm here to do is to inform people with the right knowledge. Give them the right knowledge. We have a lot of craps out there. You understand? One of them is this guy actually. You understand? So please don't pay attention to him because I know what I'm saying. I've been in this game for over 3 years, back to back trading. You understand? And I did not make, yeah, I was just like you too. I did not make jack for 2 years until I met my mentor. You understand? Immediately I met my mentor. After 3 months, everything just changed. I could look at the market and I could tell you that okay, fine. I could see that certain things. I could identify what the supply area is. I could identify what the demand area is. You understand? That is exactly what we need. You understand? You need someone that will teach you the right knowledge and give you the right information that would help you to distinguish between, okay, fine, this area, this is a price channel, this is that. You should be able to identify when you look at the market. Let's go into a market that we've not marked, and I'll show you one thing. So you look into a market like this, you should be able to you should be for clearly, you should be able to tell where the going, the market's direction. You understand? You should be able to, not just because the market is going red like this. No, the market may be going down like this, and the market direction may actually be up. You need to be able to know that for yourself, not because one indicator told you, okay, and when this EMA cross this one. No, you understand? The knowledge you need is the kind of knowledge that can help you read the candlesticks by themselves. I'm looking at this now. This is called a QM. If you don't know what a QM is, there's you can't really make money on binary option if you don't know what a QM. Because QM strategy alone gives you 90% 90% win rate. So how are you going to know, or how are you going to make money? How are you going to make money if you don't know the strategies, if you don't understand the concepts? So these concepts are the things I bring. This is the information I bring to you today. You understand? To help you identify the market, what the market is doing, and be able to make sound decisions. Look at this. You see, just this candle alone, this candle called doji, this cross-like candle is called a doji. Just this candle alone can make you a lot of money if you know what to do with it. You get the gist. If for the fact that you even say QM is all crap, you understand? Is one major is the reason why nobody should listen to you. Everybody that understands what the QM is, they will not even listen to you. For look at this. This is a doji candle. Normally, anytime price breaks a doji range, it gives you a reversal candle. Look at this. Look at what's happening here. We have a green candle breaking this doji range. It gives you a reversal candle. You can go with the sellers here and make money. Now, immediately it crosses the doji range to the downside again. Look at it, gives you another reversal candle. You can trade this market now, and it will make you money within 1 minute. You get the gist. It's exactly it's exactly what I'm saying. You understand? So somebody will come here now and say that, you know, they don't know jack about what they are saying, and because they want to sell you crap, they want to sell you bots. You understand? They will tell you you cannot do it. They will tell you cannot learn how to trade on your own. It's a lie. They are lying to you. Actually, you can learn how to. That's the that is that's the information I bring to you today. That you can learn how to trade on your own, and you don't need anybody to do it. Yes, all you need is the right knowledge. You understand? So don't let them come because they want to sell you bots, all the Yamama bots. At the end of the day, you understand? You still lose money with that bot. You understand? You understand? But I've been here for how many days now? For more than 28 days. I've been teaching people, and I've had testimony of people making 5x of their balances on their balance. Some people have made, some people have gone from just $10, they've gone to $50. The other time, one guy made $300. There's another time too. One guy made 12x. He started with $10 and he ended with $122. So you can imagine that. So if I have other testimonies, where are your own testimony? You understand? So this guy, please guys, don't him because he's full of crap. You understand? You understand? He's one of the this is one of them. You understand? He's one of them right now. You understand? So he's one of them. Don't let him sway you from the truth, because these kind of people, they will come online, they'll carry all that bad energy. You understand? They'll come into people's people's channel, and they'll come and spill just spill they open their mouth at the convenience radius and spill rubbish. So I've given you enough. You've had your 15 minutes of fame. So I've given you enough attention right now. So I'm going back to teaching the people that really, really deserve my time. All right. So guys, let's continue what we're doing, because this guy doesn't deserve my time today. I came for you. I didn't come for people like him. So guys, as I was saying, yes, no, I'm not going to entertain him again. I've given enough entertainment. He's really enjoying it. He's really enjoying it. But now I'm not going to entertain you again. Let's have this one load here. Okay, fine. We're here. We're back. Look at what I'm saying. Price came into this. We marked this entry the other time. You remember? Look at this. We marked this entry. You see, when we marked this entry, price was still down here. Price was still around this place when we marked this entry. And look at this. Price came up here. You understand? I entered the trade on this round number here, and price pulled back and gave us a red candle. Why? Why do you think the price came down? It's because we are in a seller's area. This is the seller's area. This area. The sellers are there. And I already know that if price comes back here, the sellers are going to respond and give us a red candle. This is how you take your trade, guys. You understand? I understand. I'm aware that some of you have lost money. And sincerely, I really feel sorry for you. But I don't want you to make another mistake. Don't make a mistake. Don't repeat your mistakes. You understand? You didn't have the right knowledge then. You have the opportunity now to have the right knowledge. If you're a beginner here, the first thing you need to do is to click. I have the broker link description in you understand. Go to the broker link, click the broker, let them take you to the platform. You register for your new account, then you come back here. I have something for all the new guys. You understand? If you don't know this, I have something for all the new guys. Go to the playlist section of this video, of this YouTube channel. It's called Binary Option for Beginners. You get the gist. Click on the banner option for beginner playlist and watch all the. It's about 16 videos. I'll keep adding to it every time and every now and then. So go ahead. You understand? Click it. Watch all the videos. You see all the foundational knowledge you need. I put it there for you. I intentionally created that playlist to help all the beginners. You understand? You can learn this. You can know binary option on your own. You don't need anybody to sell you any bots. Yes, you understand. Then people like me, people like me, it's bad market for them, and because they know it, they are going to do everything to not make make me teach you. But the thing there is, all you need to do when you now once you are done, you have a demo account. You get the gist. Go there, practice, practice, practice. See, guys, it's not going to be easy. You need a lot of practice. Yes, I'm telling you, I've been through all that. See, all the mistakes you're about to make, I've made it. And I can tell you that if you can practice and practice and practice, and you can watch all these videos, you see, after you're done with the beginner video, I have another playlist called Live Trade Sessions. Go into that live trade. You see my personal account, the one I trade, all the explanation. You see all the mistakes I made. You see all the successes, all the wins, all the losses. You understand? You see everything. The way I lose money, the way I win money. You see everything there. Go ahead, go and watch. You can learn from my mistake. You don't have to make those mistakes yourself. You understand? So go ahead and learn from all those videos. All the strategies I'm using here, they are in those videos. You can watch it. You understand? So all those QM strategy, everything you see there, you get it. Just let's check for another opportunity in the market. I'll show you something. Okay, cool. Look at this market now. Let me show you some. You see, immediately you have the right knowledge. You look at the market. You already know the kind of market you are. You can tell. Look at this. This is what you call common point of rejection. Look at this. Price. Now, what you call common point of rejection is when you have a certain area in the market that keeps rejecting your price. Like price keeps going there, then keeps rejecting. You see here right now, we have another supply area. Market is currently in a supply area right now. But you see, you cannot take this trade right now because you have a very strong. We are going to go with the sellers now. I'm expecting a gap up. Okay, we didn't have the gap up. You understand? We cannot take this trade right now unless we have a confirmation. Now, what I call confirmation is gaps. There are certain kind of confirmations. You have gaps, then you have the type of candle. It's a kind of confirmation too. If this was a Marabozo candle now, I would have gone with the sellers. You understand? Or if we had had a gap up, you understand? Now, the fifth candle is also a kind of confirmation. For example, if you have this kind of push to the upside and the fifth candle, this 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm expecting the fifth candle theory states that The fifth candle on, if you see a succession of candles moving, the fifth candle is most likely going to be a what? A divergent. It means it's going to be an opposite candle to this one. So you see, if we have a green candle here right now, we can go with the sellers. You understand? And the probability of the sellers of it giving us a red candle is on the high side. I'm going with the sellers here. You can see we have a gap up. You know, I was just talking about gap now. Now we have a gap up now. I'm going with the sellers. I'm expecting the sellers to come in. Hey Abu, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So let's mark this supply area. Yes, so thank you so much. Yeah, those are our people that are joining. Guys, if you are here to subscribe, please go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. You know, there's so much value on this channel right now. Okay, fine. We don't have the red candle coming in. It's fine. You understand? It's people like that. I'll tell you that that it's not good if you lose in the market. Hey Lily, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Lily. Hey, Enjob, it's nice to have you. Oh, from Bangladesh, thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Subteria, it's nice to have you here. My brother from South Africa, thank you so much for joining. It's not, yes, our people are joining in now. Thank you so much for joining. Okay. I could have gone with the sellers again, but I'm looking at this momentum. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Hey Brand, I love that name. Ah, this is so nice. Hey Brand, it's nice to have you. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, fine. Now you can see now this in fact, let me go with the sellers. I've been wanting to go with sellers since, but this is a an exhaustion candle. So I'm expecting that the sellers will come in at some point because it's giving me a reversal sign already. If it doesn't come in on this one, it may come in the next one. Okay, fine. It finally okay. The sellers finally came in. I was wondering too because look at all this. We had a gap up and it's the fifth candle. Hey, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, it's supposed to retrace. I was expecting that to retrace, especially after this gap up, because we have the fifth candle theory. So it gave us this exhaustion candle, and this now we are meant to have that reversal candle, but we have a gap down, so we can't go with the sales again. We'll leave it at that. Let me check. I'm looking for a very good market that we can actually take a very good trade on. Hey, Bokeh, it's nice to have you here. Oh my God, the network, right? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about the network. The network is. I've been waiting on a very good network since, but don't worry, it's going to clear up after a while. I'm so sorry about this. And I probably need to call my ISP and probably lash them up, give them some very. They are not doing well at all. But don't worry, it took after a while. Very soon we're going to get what they call it. Very soon we're going to get Starlinks. Starlink internet. Oh, I could go with sellers here. I'm expecting a red candle. I'm expecting a red candle. Let the red candle happen. It's a red green pattern. Come on now, we should have a red green pattern. Yes. Thank you. Hey Brand, thank you so much for joining. Okay, you're asking a question, or I couldn't read that message. Please resend the message. Yes, this is a very good trade. Okay, bro, how can I connect with you? Okay, fine. You see, when you get to Telegram on the Telegram channel, there is this tag called Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? If you click on the tag, it will bring you straight. To bring you straight to where my to my private chat room. That's when we'll be able to chat about your mentorship and all that. If you have any questions, you can just ask me. Okay. So when you get to once you join the Telegram channel, click that tag called Barter-Pro mentorship. You just send me a message and I will receive it. It's very easy. Yes. This is a very good. Now let me give you let me give you this one quickly. You see, the reason why I took this trade, The reason why I took this trade is because you see, immediately I came and I saw this red green pattern. I knew that it's going to be a very. Please, you haven't understood my question. Okay, bro. Connect. Yes, you want us to connect on Telegram, right? Yes, you want us to connect on Telegram. Yes, it's very simple. If you want to contact me on Telegram, once you click the Telegram channel and you join, you will see that see I have two this thing at the top. It's called pinned comments. I mean the network is good. Everything is okay. Let's move watching. I understand. Okay, you already understand now. Fine. So you just click the Telegram channel. Once you're on Telegram, you click the Barter-Pro mentorship tag. It's at Barter-Pro mentorship. Yes, yes. I'm reading. I'm trying to read your, but you see anytime the question is long like that, I can't finish reading it before the it just takes it away. So it comes for 2 seconds and it goes away. So if it's too long, I probably won't be able to read the whole this thing. So you can make your questions very short and resend it. I'll just read the short one and give you an answer quickly. Okay. So let's try that. Here we have this common point of rejection. Look at yes. If you click that tag called at Barter Pro Mentorship, you can send me a message through that means. Yes, it's because uh I missed this trade. I wanted to take this trade, but I missed it. No problem. We have this common point of rejection and it's sweet. Oh my god. If it goes above this round number, I can take a trade. Okay. No problem. We missed this trade again. To take trade. I wanted to take this trade, but no problem. So the thing there is I'm not aware, I'm not really sure if pocket option actually does anything with trading view. You understand? I really don't know about that basically. But it's the broker I use. So I use their platform and it works for me. So I really don't need to like be on trading view to trade on this platform. Yes, just bear with me because of this bad network. I'm very aware that it's somehow okay. We can take our trade now. If price comes up here, it has not thought it keeps retracing from that round number. I want it to get above it. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm expecting a pullback now. Oh, please don't break don't this level. Now that I finally entered, I'm expecting a pullback. Just like we've been having all the pullbacks. Now, one thing with common point of rejection is that you have to be very careful. Okay, can anyone participate in tournament? Yes, anybody can participate. Anybody now, if for you to participate in tournaments, verify your account and you'll be able. We want to trade. Hey, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Phoenix, hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much, guys. If you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Um, um, I don't know, guys. Do you still want me to continue? I'm saying that the network is very bad. If you want me to continue, please put continue in the comment section. Now, if it's too bad and you cannot continue, what we can do is we can come back in about 12 hours. You understand? And hopefully the network will be bad. Will be good then. Hey, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining, Robert. Hey, Robert, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Okay, we should continue. Okay, fine, fine. Hey, Peel, thank you so much, Crypto. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Okay, fine. Don't worry, because you said I should continue, we will continue. Nothing's going to stop us. We are going to learn this. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Okay, fine. You can see now. Let me explain this trade. You see, when you have this kind of common point of view, it's very good for you to be careful. You understand? Because you see, if after a while the market is probably going to break to the upside, and if you enter at the wrong time, you understand, it may not retrace again. So you need to be careful. And another thing, to increase your opportunity of winning, you need to be able to hide your trades under a round number. It's very, very important that you do that. Thank you, Lily. I really appreciate that. You understand? So it's very important. We have one round number here. Now, if you let me take it above this round number now. So I'm expecting a pullback now. You understand? Even though it has broken this area, it may just come down below that round number and give us a winning trade. You can see now. So the best thing to combine with a common point of rejection is round number. Or you can also combine this also. Let me show you. Amen. Amen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Look at that. That was a beautiful trade. So the next thing, another thing you can combine with common point of rejection is round number. Make sure your trade is behind the round number or is either above or below. But make sure that the round number is there. Because you see that round number will be your safety net if the price does not pull back enough. You understand? Yes, yes, you can do third touch also. But you see, third touch is kind of different in a way that if you are gonna do third touch breakouts, thought you have to wait for candle close. In common point of rejection, you don't have to wait for candle close. That's the beauty of it. So you look at that third touch you are talking about. We have first touch low, second touch lower low. If price breaks this area now, we will wait for price to close first. Then we'll go with the sellers. But there's one thing you need to pay attention to. We have a momentum. You see this momentum, this green candles. So when you have a momentum and you have an entry, you ignore the entry. Don't take the trade. You may miss out on that entry, yes, but just ignore it. You understand? This area, look at it. This first touch low, second touch lower low. Price comes into this third touch breaking now. So we have a third touch breakout. You can see. Now, if this was a fifth candle, I probably would be more um inclined to go. Let me reduce this amount. I'll reduce it one more time. Then I'll go with small amount with the sellers in case the price does not retrace. But I have a feeling it will not retrace because of this. You understand? The probability of the sellers coming in is low. That's why I went with small amounts. So that if this trade is a losing trade now, it doesn't affect the balance that much. Yes, you can see now. So when you see a momentum, avoid it. Don't take any trade. Don't take any trade. It most likely would just continue. Now, the only time you can take a trade with a momentum is if you have, yes, it's an exhaustion candle, but you still should not take the trade. Yes, because we have a momentum and it's not a fifth candle. Now, if it was a fifth candle now, I probably would say, okay, let's go with the sellers. I'll still go with the sellers one more time, but I still know that it's anytime you see a momentum, just ignore your entry. Hey, Brian, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. Yes, I can go with the sellers now. Let's go with the sellers. Let's go with the sellers. Now I'm expecting a pullback now. The probability of the sellers to come in now is a little bit high. Why? Let me give you the gist. Apart from the fact that we have a momentum, this candle is going to be the fifth candle. We have fifth candle theory. We have gap up. Gap ups are in favor of the sellers. The fifth candle can give us an opposite candle. So yes, you understand. We're expecting that the sellers may come in, especially once they touch this round number. They may push to the downside and give us a red candle. You understand? But there's still this um probability that it may still give us a green candle. Is as at this point right now is about 60-40 or 65-35. So 60% that we may win, 35% that we may not win. You understand? So we took our chances, but we lost. So you can see now, we could have just ignored all these entries. We could have ignored because of this what they call it, because of this momentum. We could have ignored all these entries and saved ourselves all those small amounts. Though those amounts are small amounts, they don't really affect the balance that much. You understand? But if you lose too many small amounts over time, it's going to affect your balance eventually. You get the gist. So that's the reason why I always tell people to ignore. That's why I always tell people to ignore momentum. When you see a momentum, ignore your entry. Just leave it. Don't take any trade against it or don't follow it. You understand? Because if you decide to follow it, at the end of the day, you just realize that the trade, you understand, just goes the opposite way. So that's that about that. Let's continue. Okay, fine. Look at this. We have a QM, and it's a beautiful QM. This is a QM. Look at this. This is a very beautiful QM. Look at this. Look at this. We have ABC to the upside, then push to the downside. It's a very beautiful QM. The first thing we need to do when we have a QM. Now, for those who are asking the question, what's a QM? This is a QM. Please hold on. Give me 1 minute, please. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry for that. I had to quickly take care of something. Okay, fine. So, for those who are asking what a QM is, this is a QM. Let me quickly explain it. So, here we go. This ABC to the upside, we have a push to the downside. This pattern is called the QM. So, the first thing you need to do is to go to higher time frame. We're currently in M1 right now, but we'll click on M3. We're looking for an engulf. Look at this beautiful engulf. We have it in M3. That's number one. You see, immediately you see that engulf, that's the first confirmation you need to know that the QM is going to work. The next thing we need to do is to go to lower time frame. Now, what we are looking for in lower time frame, we are looking at this. You see this QM shoulder. We are looking for an entry above the QM area here. So I couldn't find any entry in S30. I'll try S15. You can see we found an entry here. This is the entry we are looking for. This lower time frame engulfs. Look at this. This is it. This is what we're looking for. So we'll go down, we'll mark it here. Let me check S10 quickly to see if we have another one. We have another one up here. It's an overlapping level. Okay, now that I've checked S10, I'll just, for the benefit of doubt, I'll check S5 also. Let me extend all this. Let's just check S5 for the benefit of that. You understand? Okay, we have another one here on S5. Now you see, the best entry so far is going to be the highest one, or the one that is closest to a round number. Let's go back to M1. Oh, how do LTF entries look? You always say it. Yes, low time frame entry as like engulf. Yeah, that S5 one is crazy, right? Now they look like engulf. Let me show you that S5 one again, so that you can see it. Look at it. It's like an engulf on lower time frame. Look at it. This one too. Now it could be an engulf, it could be an overlapping level like this. You get. So let's go back to M1. Now we have all the entries here. There's another one entry here. There's another one here. You can see now. Now I'm going to mark everything as lower time frame entry. Yes, just like you said, it's LTF entry. Okay, fine. You can see now it's lower time frame entry. Now that's it. So immediately price comes into this entry. Now we are going with the sellers. Immediately price comes into this entry, we go with the sellers. It's as simple as that. If it enters this area again, we go with the sellers. If it doesn't, any of the, but this, you see these entries up here now, they are like the best entry. Now I want you to pay attention to one thing I'm observing right now. We have this momentum coming up. You see, we can ignore this momentum right now and not take like we can ignore. I mean, all the entries because of this momentum and not take a trade. We'll be safe. But I'm still going to take this trade anyways. You understand? But the thing there is, there's every chance that it might be a losing trade also. So you have to be careful. Now look at 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is fifth candle theory. If we have a gap up, I would have gone with the sellers here. Or if it had come over this round number, I could have gone with the sellers. Let me still reduce this one more. If it comes up to this round number, I'll go with the sellers with this tiny amount. I just want to see what happens. But normally, I would ignore, like, normally I would just ignore this whole movement. Like, anytime you see a momentum, just ignore it. Just ignore it. It's very important that you ignore it. So this is an exhaustion candle actually. It's an exhaustion candle. So let's just see. If it gives me the entry, I'll take it because it's small amount. Let me take this one. There's small amount, so I'm not even going to count it as a trade. I'm waiting for price to come up here. We will take a good trade here. If price comes here, we'll take a good trade. So I'll wait for it. We have to be patient for our entry. We have to be patient. This is our entry. We're waiting for it. So when it comes to QM trading, this is how you trade QMs. Sorry, I couldn't read that message. I'll read it later. You can send me a dot later after taking the entry. So this thing they vex me. Ah. No, that's how it is. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. Patience is one. See, you cannot do anything in trading without patience. You feel frustrated, but your training will help you. Okay, fine. We've taken the trade now, and we're expecting the pullback. You get the gist. So I'm expecting that pullback to the downside. Let's just wait for it. We have about 30 seconds. Remember that it's small amounts I'm entering with. I'm intentionally entering with small amounts because of this push to the upside. So if we miss this trade, it's fine. It's all right. I'm not going to worry about it. We'll just wait for it. It's as simple as that. Oh my god. Okay, fine. So you can see now, this is the kind of knowledge I'm talking about. You understand? This is the kind of knowledge I'm talking about. Now, you remember the other time I was talking about QM, and that guy said there's nothing like QM. That guy doesn't know what he's doing. Don't follow him, please. I beg in the name of God. People like that sway people out of getting the right knowledge. You get it? This is a fantastic QM trade. You can see now. You have ABC to the upside, push to the downside. You mark all the entries. Price comes into the entry. It gives you a winning trade. It's as simple as that. Now, if you want to know more about QMs, I have a playlist in this YouTube channel. It's called Live Trade Sessions. I've explained a lot about QMs in the playlist. So click Live Trade Sessions and watch all the videos. You understand? You will learn a lot about QMs. You will learn a lot about QMs. A lot. There's a lot to be learned about QMs. So now let me read your message. How do we mark QM? I thought there would be a rejection from the level. Yes, look at this now. This entry, this is a rejection. This is a rejection already. Well, before we mark it, okay, I'll show you. The first thing you need to do is mark the shoulder. Oh, this is too close. It didn't touch it. It didn't even enter the entry now. Come on. Oh, come on. It touched the entry and jumped down. And I entered immediately, but come on now. What's it doing? It entered. I'm taking the trade. It's okay. I'm expecting it to pull back. I don't know why sometimes. Okay, are you gonna give us pullback or not? Okay, it didn't give us the pullback. I'm still going to go again because I'm expecting. Okay, this is the fifth now. We can have that retracement we're expecting. Look at this. We have this market sequence of five candle of four candles, four green candles, then red. We have another four green candles. We have red, so we can go with the sellers now. Look for this. Let me go in with the normal amounts. If it gives us the entry again, I'll take one more. Yes. So let's have the pullback. Okay. Okay, that's good. Yes, you're gonna pull back. Yeah, the fifth candle theory plus QM. Yes, you're very correct. Now, you see, this is what I'm talking about. These are the people that get it. You understand? And that's a winning trade. You see, that's why patience pays. You understand? Being patient helps a lot. Yes, thank you. That's sweet confidence. You're very funny. Yes, that's sweet confidence right there, but it makes so much sense. Guys, if you're here to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and click subscribe button. There's so much value on this channel. See, you see all those playlists I'm telling you to go and watch. Go and watch them. See, I took my time to explain everything in detail. If you are new here, there's a playlist for all the beginners. You understand? It's called binary option for beginners. I have the playlist for beginners. I have the playlist for seasoned traders, like those who have been who have been who know the strategies. You probably just want to learn how to apply it. It's in that live trade session one. Now, for those who prefer 5 minutes trade, you understand? Yes, exactly. You see, Abu is just learning about QM today, right now. So now, for those who like 5 minutes trade, I have another one called M5 coverage. You understand? It's for those who want to trade 5 minutes. Go there. There's a playlist for everybody. If you want to watch my practice sessions, I have it. If you want to watch my tournament sessions, I have it too. So you understand, like anything you want is inside this channel. You can get all the knowledge you need. You understand? It's right there. This information. Yes, it's out there free of charge. Exactly. The information is out there free of charge. You can just watch it. You understand? Exactly. You're very correct. So what we need to do now, if you are the type that you want me to teach you one on one, you understand? You want me to teach you one on one, like you prefer that one on one mentorship. You understand? All you need to do is to click that Telegram channel link. You understand? Click Telegram channel link and join the Telegram channel. Now, you understand? Now, to send me a message on Telegram channel because you'll be joining the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? I always tell anybody who wants me to teach them one on one, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. To join, click the Telegram channel and send me a message on Telegram. Now, if you want to send me a message on Telegram, once you join, click that at Barter-Pro mentorship. Just click it. It will bring you to my chat room where we'll be able to discuss about your mentorship. I'll tell you how much it is going to cost, and I'm going to tell you what the schedule is going to be like. No worries, no worries. See, if you want to learn about QM, that live trade session playlist, go and watch it. Trust me, you will see a lot of. I have about more than 10 QM videos like that. I've explained QM from beginning to the end, step by step, like that. Watch the playlist. Just watch it. It's there. You see it. It's there. You understand? Just watch it. It's gonna help you a lot. You understand? That's exactly what I've come to do right now. Is to help those who really want to learn how to trade. Let's look for another opportunity. See, patience pays too. You understand? Patience pays. Now, if you're gaining value in this channel right now, and you want to support the channel, please go ahead and make use of the super thanks, the super chat, and the super stickers. You understand? And consider being one of our YouTube membership too. That would really be nice. Yeah, thought breakout was there. Okay, okay. I'm trying to look for it. Okay, you mean that previous markets? Okay. I'm looking for this. No, let's just have a feel for the market first. Let's look at where the market is going. Don't worry, when I find a good market, we'll do a top-down analysis. We'll do a top-down analysis to make sure that we know the market's direction. Most of the time, if you observe, I like to trade ranging markets or price channels. Okay, this is a good one. This is a good one. Hey, hey, Gem World, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Guys, Gem World is in the house. Yes, for those who don't know, now you know. Gem World is the OG of this channel. Yes, please, guys, let me welcome Gem World to the chat to this today's live. Thank you so much, Gem World. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Yes, Ninja Trading. Is it Ninja? Okay, Renaj. Hey, Renaj, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you coming. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, yes. Jahid Hazan, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. So if you're new here or you're just coming, say hi in the comment section. Let me give you a yeah. If you're in, thank you so much. I really appreciate too. Thank you so much, Hazan. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, guys. See, you don't know how much it means to me when you tell Gemword to welcome. She deserves it. Actually, she's been supporting the channel all this while. You understand? She still did it yesterday. I believe she's still going to do it again today. So thank you so much. Now, if you want to be one of the OGs of the channel, like Gemworld, no, we can't sell right now. Let's hold on. We can sell after this candle, but not immediately. Okay, fine. Let's sell now. If it goes above the round number, I'll take one more. Okay, fine. That's good. Thank you for that wake up call. I really like that. Renaj, thank you very much for that. So let's mark this. Okay, I'm waiting for it to go above the round number. Okay, we can take another trade right now. That's good. We're currently in a supply area. So I'm expecting the sellers to come in, and we have this red green pattern happening. Yes, yes, we have a gap up. Yes, we have a gap up. You're very correct. You see, our friends are beginning to catch up now. They know that when we have a gap up, it's in favor of the sellers, and this is a supply area, so we can have the sellers come in. Exactly. This you see, the way everybody is contributing now is the way I like it. I really like it a lot. Even if we lose this trade right now, I know that it's a good trade because all of us can see it. Okay, that was break even for us. We'll still go again with the sellers. I'm expecting one more. Let's go. I'm expecting the sellers to come in, so don't worry about it. I'm still expecting the sellers to come in. Hey, Brand, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I like that name, Hey, Brand. Makes so much sense. Let me make this with a line because I may not have time to mark it properly. Go back to M1. Oh my God, I expected the sellers to come in. What's happening? I was expecting the sellers. Let's see. Oh, that's a breakout. Okay. No problem. It's fine. I'm probably just wrong. Okay, I'm going to go with the sellers again. Okay, no, we can't go with sellers again now. It was meant to be a third breakout, but you know what? If we have one more candle to the upside, I will go with the sellers because I'm expecting the sellers to come in here. Hey Prince, it's nice to have you here. Yes, you're very correct, Prince. No, like it's like I always say it that you understand. I would never say I'm not going to be wrong at one point or the other. You understand? You can be wrong too because you are human. It's very, very normal and it's natural. But right now, if I have this b- green candle, we can go with the sellers. But we need to be mindful of this. So let's reduce the amount. Let's reduce it. Let's reduce the amount. Hey, Clesley, it's nice to have you here. Yes, I have a tutorial. Jeremiah, it's nice to have you here. Yes, I have. Okay, you know what? Let's take this one with small amounts. In case we don't have the red candle, at least it won't affect our balance that much. So we're entering that with small amounts. I'm expecting a pullback, but if it doesn't pull back, it's fine. Okay. If it doesn't pull back, it's fine. Yes. Now we have a mentorship, and if you want a one-on-one mentorship, please join the Barter-Pro mentorship. Now the link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is in the description below. You understand? It's in the description below. Just click on Telegram, the Telegram channel link in the description below, and it will take you straight to Telegram. Now, once you get to Telegram, click this Barter-Pro mentorship tag that you see and send me a message. We'll be able to discuss about your mentorship and the rest. Okay? It's as simple as that. You understand? It's as simple as that. This was a very good trade. But you see that I didn't take the trade until we got above this round number right now. You understand? So that's how it is. Thank you so much, Renaj. Yes. Thank you so much, Shell. Thank you so much, Steve. Thank you so much, Clesley. It's nice to have you here. Bread and Butter Gang. Thank you very much. You thought I wouldn't say that? No, I would say it definitely. Yes. Uh, it's very funny sometimes. Yes. Now, guys, you can see now we can go with the buyers now. But you see, to even increase our chances of going with the buyers, let's check if we have a demand area down here in lower time frame. You see, right above this supply, this previous supply. So if price comes down here, we're going to go with the buyers. If it doesn't come down, we are not taking the trade. But we need it to come down, then we can take the trade. You understand? Okay, fine. We have a gap down in favor of the buyers. I'll take one here. So if it comes down again, then I'll take another one. Hey, Trailer, thank you so much for coming. It's nice to have you here. Aloha. Yes, thank you very much for coming. It's nice to have you here. It's nice to have you here, Trailer. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, all our friends are joining in now. That's very good. I'm so glad you guys are here. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for joining. We've been having network issues since, but thank you so much. You guys talked through it. You waited until the network cleared. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. That means a lot. Thank you very much. Yeah, good. It was a very good take actually. Under the round number, you can see this 381. You understand? And we have this overlapping level here. Let me show you because a lot of people probably didn't see it. A lot of people probably missed it, but this is the overlapping level you can see. So we have a gap down, overlapping level. We have evening star pattern, round number. That's fantastic. See, you can see this is how you take your trade, guys. This is how we take our trades. This is a very beautiful session. Let me mark this as a favorite. I know I marked the other one as a favorite the other time. Okay, there's no opportunity here for now. Let's check another market if we have more opportunities. Discretion matters a lot. Exactly. This type of trading, knowing when to step in. Exactly. You're very correct. You're very correct. Knowing when to step in matters. You understand? And see, you see, knowing when to step in comes with experience. It comes with a lot of like knowledge. You have to combine a lot of knowledge to be able to take your trades. Now, and even if you are making a little bit of losses here and there, it doesn't matter. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter because at the end of the day, what really matters is are you able to stick with your strategy, you understand, and not waver. Look at that trade we took the other time, with that QM trade. You understand? We kept sticking with it until we got the sellers to come in. You understand? And funny enough, we didn't know the sellers would come in, but we just believed that at this certain level, the sellers are going to come in, and they came in eventually. You understand? So that's how you take your trades, guys. Okay. I'm looking for a very good trade that we can take advantage of. You understand? Let's check for at least if I can take one more trade, we can call it a day. I know that some of our friends just join us, but don't worry. This is what will happen. You see, after this class now, I'll be in the Telegram channel. If you want to join the Telegram channel, you can send me a message on Telegram. You understand? You can send me a message on Telegram, and we'll be able to discuss about your mentorship. You understand? Also, if you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. There's so much value on this channel right now that you can take advantage of. Oh, this is a very nice basic market structure pattern. Let me mark it for you. This is a very nice basic market structure pattern. Look at this. We can connect all the seller's entry. Look at this. This is a fake out down here. Yes, QM, the idea was right. Just a slight miscalculation. It happens. You understand now. It happens. Definitely. You're very correct. Sometimes a little bit of miscalculation happens here and there. Like I said, when you're human, the human factor will always kick in. But if you stick with it eventually, you're going to become profitable. So look at this now. This it's more like a basic market structure pattern. Up, down, up, then down, then up, then down. So we have a fake out down here. Price is going back up. So the direction of the market is upwards. You can see now. The direction of the market is upwards right now. We can go with the buyers and expect a very good trade. Please, my question is, where did you reside? Yes, I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. You understand? I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. I hope you're not asking for my house address. But I don't believe you're asking for that though. You understand? But I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. If that's what you want. Okay, fine. Look at this. We have a QM here. And it's a beautiful QM. Let's find entry below this QM shoulder. Yes, okay, let me remove this thing. I think you were asking a question the other time, like, how do you mark the shoulder? So let me show you quickly. Somebody was asking about how do you mark the shoulder. Hey, Agape, thank you so much for joining. Oh, wow, this is amazing. From London. Thank you so much, guys. Phoenix. Yes. I remember you are the one that asked the question. So you see, if you want to mark the let me mark it again so that you can see it. Because I guess you didn't see me mark it the other time. You see this area? You see, the QM gives you this. There are two things that makes a QM. You see this ABC to the downside, this down, up, down pattern. Hey, Victory, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Oh, it's you. Yes, I remember you. How are you? It's nice to have you here. It's been a long time. Where have you been? Wow. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Steve. Thank you so much for joining. Watching from Canada. Oh my God. We have all our friends all over the world. Thank you very much, guys, for joining. I think we missed the trade. Okay, you know what? Let's quickly look for entry. You know what? We can take this entry. We missed that entry because I was greeting my people. Okay, fine. We have another opportunity down here. Let me mark the entry quickly. Oh, yes, it's a gap. We have an entry here. It's a QM entry. It's down here. You understand? We missed that first one, but we shouldn't miss the second one. Yes, there's a QM entry here. Okay, we can still win this trade. We can still win this trade because we have a gap down in favor of the buyers. Yes, just like you said, it's a gap down. So we can win the trade. Anytime you have, let me take this trade. Yes. So price is entering inside the entry now. I'm expecting a pullback. It should pull back enough to give us a winning trade. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Oh, come on. I almost shouted come on because I thought the last second we are going to lose. But you see now, even though I didn't have time to mark the whole QM, but let me explain the QM right now for anybody who doesn't understand why I was shouting. So this is it. You see, we have this ABC to the downside and this push to the upside. You see, this ABC area is where you are going to mark the wick. Look at this. The wick on this green candle now is what I'm marking. You can see now. Now, immediately you mark it, first thing you need to do, you go to higher time frame. You are looking for an engulf. We have the engulf here now. You look at this red, green, this red and green. You can see it. That's the engulf. Then we'll now go to lower time frame to start looking for entry. You understand? We're trying to look for entry that time when the first entry hits. Let me show you where the first entry is. This is it. This is the first one. This area is very tiny, but you can see that first candle came inside and rejected. You can see. Now, let me show you. The second one that we really marked is this one. This one that looks like doji here. Look at it. Let me mark it. Is this one. This one that looks like doji. You mark the whole doji, then you go back to, let me color code it. This is the first one. I'll mark it bright so that you can see the difference. This is the second one. I'll mark it as a lower time frame entry. So let's go back to M1. Look at this. You can see these are the two entries. So this is the first one I saw. I thought I lost, but look at the second one, the one we took. It was a beautiful trade. You understand? This is how you take your trade, guys. You understand? And for all the new guys in the house, this will take you time to understand. So be patient with yourself. Okay? If you want a one-on-one mentorship, you understand? Click the Telegram channel link in the description below and send me a message. When you get to Telegram channel, click that at Barter-Pro mentorship. It will bring you to my chat room. We can chat there. You understand? We'll discuss about mentorship, how everything's going to go, how much it's going to cost, how the schedule is going to be. You understand? We'll work out the schedule between two of us. Okay? These are you take your trade, guys. Now we're going to have a double bottom. Look at this, guys. You remember what I say about double bottom? When you see double bottom, market is telling all the buyers it's time to buy. So you don't go with sellers again. You understand? You don't go with sellers again. You go with the buyers. Even if you have an entry up here, you go with the buyers. We have double bottom now. The price is, the direction of the market is upwards now. You understand? That's how you see. For you to know all these things, it will take time. But if you stick with it and you are consistent with it, you get it. You get it. I'm telling you, it doesn't take much to understand. It just takes a little bit of patience, a little bit of time. And if you want to learn faster, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You'll be fine. Yes, you'll be fine. Let me see if we have an entry in lower time frame that I can take advantage of. I feel like going with the buyers. But I want something I can bounce off of. Okay, we have a round number here. Oh, the buyers have started coming in. They started coming in. I wanted to go with the buyers. Hey, Philip Stark. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's a retest. Uh, yes. I wanted to buy, but it's late to buy now. But no problem. It's late to buy now. Um, you know what? We're gonna draw the curtain right now for this segment, but we're gonna come back in the evening. You understand? Now, if you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and click the subscribe button so that when we come back in the evening, you'll be one of the set of people that YouTube will send a notification to. So what you need to do to get notification is click after you subscribe, click that notification bell beside that subscribe button, put it to all so that anytime we come online like this, if it comes down here, I'm gonna go with the buyers. Let me see if I can take this one more trade. You see this area? If price comes into this area, we can still go with the buyers. You understand? So subscribe to the channel, enable the notification bell. We'll be back in about 12 hours. Is it 12? No. It's going to be less than that. In about, let me say 10 hours, no, 7 hours. In about 7 hours, we'll be back. You understand? So thank you so much for joining. If you I'll be on the Telegram channel right now. I'm taking all your messages and replying messages. So if you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, hit me up in the Telegram channel. I'll be there. Let me read your message. Yeah, Papa Trife. Is it Trife? Yeah, I reply the comments. Uh yes. So thank you so much for joining, guys. I'll see you in the next one. All right. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you taking your time to join the session. Oh, Wisdom. Oh, thank you so much, Wisdom. Yeah, guys, if you have not given you a shout out, go ahead and send me a hi. Let me give you a shout out before I leave. Okay, just say hi in the comment section. Let me give you a shout out. You understand? We can still take. You know what? Let me go with small amounts. Let's go with small amounts. Yes, small amounts. I want to go with the buyers after this. Especially if you give us the gap up, I won't take the trade. If you give us the gap down, I'm gonna take the trade. Hey, DJ Annex, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Max. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. He's gonna give us gap down. Okay, let's go with bars. We're going in with small amounts. So if it's not a winning trade, fine. It's just a small amount. Yeah, the reason why I'm going with buyers is because we have this evening star pattern. And I've told you that evening star pattern, usually you have green candles that follow it when you have an evening star pattern. So I'm expecting a green candle. I'm expecting the buyers to come in and give us a green candle. If that does not happen, it's not the end of the world. We are entering with just small amounts, so we're fine. But you understand, I'm done for this session right now. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you understand, when we come back in the next session, you can ask all your questions, or you can put together all your questions. Price tap on the order block. Yes, exactly. You're correct. Price tapped on the order block, and now it's going back up. You understand? Okay. Just a minute. Let me finish this. Okay, fine. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. I'll see you in the next one.